what's up guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. I don't have my earrings on. Hey, what's up guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, The Layer V. My name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a YouTuber and blogger. I usually create content about makeup tutorials, beauty product reviews, lifestyle tips and digital tools. And if you're watching me in this video for the first time, then hello. May I suggest that you take a minute to hit the subscribe button right down this video, and there will be a bell next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about Rimmel London's Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Lightweight Medium Coverage Concealer. If you'd like to know more about my review on this product over here, then please keep on watching. This product is available at Watsons at my closest outlet, which is Causeway Point, and it was retailing at $15.90, but I believe there was a 20% discount off when I purchased this. I got it for just under $12 or something like that. I'm not sure if the discount is still applicable, but do check it out if you're interested in getting yourself this concealer. If I have not mentioned already, when I picked this concealer up, I recall seeing 3 other shades in total, which is inclusive of this 200 in light. I meant to pick up the one shade darker than this. I believe it's in the medium range, but it was completely out of stock, and the other darkest color next to it was also out of stock, so I only had 200 in light to pick up mine from, and I felt like when I swatched it, it looked really close to my skin type, and if it's just a hairline or one shade lighter, I could probably do something about it and make it work for me. I must say that I really like how the concealer actually goes on my skin. I'll put a flyaway somewhere around here just so that you can see me applying this concealer under my under eye areas. I typically have been just using this concealer for my under eye areas. I like it just as much as I was apprehensive about the Maybelline's Age Rewind Treatment Concealer. That's a very long name, but this is how the concealer actually looks like side by side. The only reason why I'm comparing this concealer against this is because of its texture. It kind of reminded me a lot of this concealer, except it's a little bit perhaps a hairline thinner than this concealer. Perhaps so is also because of the application tip, which is like a Korean beauty brand type of application tip that has a very nice soft foam tip, as opposed to Maybelline's Age Rewind that has a lot more fibers sticking out, and you can actually get to see a lot of gunk because you're just repeatedly using the same tip to dispense concealer, and they are repeatedly coming in contact with the skin. If you're someone who's really has a lot of sensitivity going on your skin, you probably might want to skip out on this concealer, and I feel it works really nice on my oily to very oily skin type. It doesn't move, it doesn't settle into fine lines and wrinkles. That's one of the things that I really like about this lightweight coverage and the formulation of this concealer. But if you're someone who has medium skin tone like I do, but you have a lot of imperfections and pigmentations and scarring from post-acne marks, I feel like this would give you very little amount of coverage. Right now I'm wearing the concealer. As you can see, it really did not do much of a bad job. I feel like I like the underweight feel to it, and especially when I wear this concealer, I just need a touch of loose powder to set it, and I feel like it doesn't move throughout the day, and I really do feel like my under eye area has a lot of room to breathe when I have this concealer on. You have a lot of darkness, bags, and just a lot of discoloration going on. You probably might want to skip out on this unless you have a corrective color concealer. If you were just to pile this concealer on a little bit and you blend it out, you will definitely see a lot of the discoloration beneath peeking through. You know, the peach corrector that I've been using a lot lately in my makeup tutorials. I have to go in first, correct the under eye darkness, then top it off with a little bit. Goes a long way with this concealer. It is really nice and lightweight. I like how it actually goes on my skin, how it actually wears throughout the day. Like I said, it is kind of transfer resistant and smudge proof, which is a big deal for me. And another thing that I actually wanted to comparatively just state a fact across was that I was kind of bummed and really shocked to see how much this really tiny tube contains 7 milliliters of its amazing concealer, as opposed to Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer. This has 6 milliliters, 1 milliliter short of this. You would think that a bigger package like this one would have a lot more concealer, but let me tell you, my friend, this is a squeezy tube, just like how a toothpaste squeezy tube looks like. It has actually 1 milliliters more of its concealer as compared to this one, and this is $15.90. I believe this is $19.90. Overall, I would give this concealer 3 out of 5 stars only because I feel like I have been so used to wearing a lot of heavy coverage concealers, and it's just a little bit different for me when I'm reaching out for a light to medium coverage concealer like this one. I feel like the concealer best benefit skin types across all boards. Whether you're dry, combination, or coming from an oily skin type like myself, I can assure you that it's smudge proof and transfer resistant. And for the price of $15.90, it actually contains 1 milliliter, a lot more product than the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. If you're in search of a new concealer and you're someone who's a huge fan of the Maybelline's Age Rewind Treatment Concealer, that's my kid in the background. I apologize, it's still the June holidays, please pardon me. Like I was saying, if you're someone who is a huge fan of the Maybelline's Age Rewind Treatment Concealer and you're in search for another new concealer on the block, you should definitely give this product a try. The reason why I give this concealer 3 out of 5 because drugstore products can do better with their shade selection. We've been talking about this a lot on the internet. There are a lot more beauty products that are coming out with various different shades and undertones to fit a lot more women. I would highly suggest that you bear us in mind the next time you bring a new product to the drugstore. When it comes to a beauty product like this, please make sure to have a lot more shade selection. What is this? Just 3 shades. And that's the reason why I give this 3 out of 5. I really like this product, but the shade selection though, come on guys, we can definitely do better than this. I absolutely love how much it costs. It's really affordable. They are easily available, just in about 5 to 10 minutes within reach, and I don't have to faff around if it's out of stock. They are not in my shade. When it's not available, it just like it's a lot of stress to deal with. And that's it for today's review, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this Rimmel London's 25-hour breathable finishing 25-hour concealer. This is in the lightweight to medium coverage. If you did enjoy this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please do so. I post new content every Tuesdays and Fridays at 6 p.m. at Singapore time, and I shall catch you in my next video.